Okay, my YouTube people, the next step on the bad boy is miking the piston and the cylinder to see where we're at and whether I got to go up a size with the piston. This is a Wiseco piston. The part number is 4604PS, and this is a 10-to-1 piston. I originally stated that I thought it was a 10.5-to-1, but this is a 10-to-1, and then I set the squish area real tight. I figured it out when I originally built this motor, that it's true 7-to-1 motor. Anyhow, I soaked this in the solvent tank real hard and it loosened up the carbon, and then I just lightly hit it on the wire wheel to clean it up. Also very lightly went around here with the wire wheel, but you can see it's spotless otherwise. So the solvent did what it was supposed to do. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mic this piston. The way you mic these pistons is at the skirt at the bottom. This is the widest part. These pistons essentially are tapered in this direction. So this is the widest part of the piston right here. Stock bore size on an 80-inch Harley is 3.498, and this piston should be somewhere around 3 thousandths less than that, roughly. You just come in here with the micrometer, and then you bring it down right to where it can pass over it with very little drag. I would say that's it right there. That puts this at 3.495. So this piston's not showing anywhere. So now I'm going to mark that down right here. 3.495 on front piston. Now check the rear piston. And the rear piston's checking at the exact same size. So I'm going to write that down over here. 3.495. Now I'm going to check the cylinders. The way you set the dial bore gauge up, you open the micrometer to the exact bore size, which is 3.498, and then you set it so that the indicator comes to 0 on here. Anything that's bigger will be on the left side, anything that's smaller will be on the right. And when you check it, you want to check 3 spots in this plane, here, the middle and the bottom, and then you want to check 3 spots in this plane. So I'm going to check it right at the top. It's right at 0 there, so that's good. I'm going to come down to the middle now. Right at the 0 on that one. Then I'm going to come down to the bottom. It's right at 0 there. So the bore's good there. Now I'm going to check it here. The true way to check these is with torque plates, but I don't have the torque plates. I'm sure when I send them to John at John's Cycle to be honed, he has the torque plates, so he'll double check my readings. That's right there. Right at 0 there. Right at the 0 there. So I have a consistent 3 thousandths the entire way. I believe everything to be good. I'll check the other cylinder now. Right at 0. Right at 0. Not sure why on this one down the bottom here looks like it's tight 3 thousandths. Might just need the torque plate to tighten that up. Right at 0 there. Right at 0 there. Down the bottom seems to be loose 2 thousandths. I'm wondering if that's not just because of the torque plates not being on this. Yeah, it's really out of round. Could just be that there's no torque plates, so that could be the issue down the bottom here. After I send them to John and he checks these out, I'll get back to you, let you know exactly what's going on with that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It doesn't cost you a dime, only takes a second. It helps my channel. All right, there you go.